Hello and welcome to another Nucida training session dealing with TestComplete, an automated testing tool for web, desktop, and mobile applications. If you like, please give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to this channel and click on the bell to never forget our upcoming sessions. In terms of any questions or hints, please leave a comment. In this video, I will show you how to automate TestComplete test runs to include them in your automated build and development process. When you are developing and debugging your automated tests with TestComplete, it's easier to run them directly from the TestComplete IDE. As soon as your tests are ready, you may want to run them automatically with no human interaction whatsoever. You can, for example, schedule your tests to run at night. This will allow the relocating of your company's computing resources more efficiently. Or you can run your tests automatically right after your product build ends. This way you'll have all your builds tested thoroughly. To automate TestComplete test runs, the first thing you need to do is specify a sequence of tests that your TestComplete project will run. You do it on the test items page of your project. If you wish to learn more about this, please see the running multiple test video. When the test sequence is ready, you can automate its run. To automate test runs, you can use the TestComplete command line or the session creator utility that comes with TestComplete. This way you can run your TestComplete tests with any scheduling tool, for example, Windows Task Scheduler, or any CI system, for example, Jenkins, Bamboo, TeamCity, and many others. If you use Jenkins or Azure DevOps, it's even more convenient to use special plugins that TestComplete provides. Advanced users can also control test runs via COM or by using the TestComplete REST API. The easiest way to automate test runs is to use the TestComplete command line or session creator. Let's examine them a bit closer. The TestComplete command line enables you to configure and launch TestComplete, start test runs, and get the test results automatically. For example, this command launches TestComplete, runs the web store project, and exports the summary report to a JUnit style report. Session Creator is a utility shipped with TestComplete. It enables you to open an interactive user session and run TestComplete tests. For example, this command opens a user session under the specified account and then runs the web store project. Do you have any questions? In terms of any questions or hints, please leave a comment. The Nucida QA experts would be happy to support you. We will answer you in the comment section of this channel near time. Why does an interactive user session matter? Well, for the test engine to be able to interact with your tested application and perform mouse moves, clicks, and hover actions, an interactive user session must be opened on the test workstation. Otherwise, the operating system will not draw the GUI and TestComplete will not be able to simulate user actions over it. Therefore, before you start your automated test runs, you must have an interactive session open. If you use the TestComplete command line to run tests, you will have to open the user session manually, for example by logging into your test workstation. To open the session automatically, you use the Session Creator utility. If you use Jenkins, you can easily include your TestComplete tests in your automated builds with the TestComplete support plugin. The plugin adds the TestComplete test steps to Jenkins. The step enables you to open interactive sessions on your Jenkins nodes and run TestComplete tests on them. Do not disregard opening interactive user sessions. Having a session open is crucial for TestComplete to be able to interact with the application during the test run. After the test run is over, you can view results in a browser, where you can export test results to a JUnit style report and process the report as you find suitable. To learn more about the extended support that TestComplete provides for Jenkins, please watch the dedicated video. You can find the link to it in the video description. Before I conclude this video, I would like to mention TestExecute. It's a lightweight test runner for TestComplete tests. You can use it to run your TestComplete tests on computers where TestComplete is not installed. Automating test runs with TestExecute is no different from automating them with TestComplete. You can use the TestExecute command line, the Session Creator utility plugins for Jenkins and Azure DevOps COM, and REST API the same way you do with TestComplete. This concludes my overview of automating TestComplete test runs. If you like, please give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to this channel and click on the bell to never forget our upcoming sessions. In terms of any questions or hints, please leave a comment. To learn more, please take advantage of our other videos. Happy testing and see you next time. Are you ready to supercharge your business ventures? The Nucida Consulting Group is here to propel you forward in key domains such as marketing, software quality, financial management, and digital transformation. Our dedicated experts stand by your side, whether it's a pressing issue that needs immediate attention or a visionary project waiting to be orchestrated seamlessly. With Nucida, you're not just a client, you're a partner. Subscribe to our YouTube channel to never miss upcoming videos about software quality, test management, and test automation. We bring a wealth of knowledge to the table, ensuring your company not only thrives but excels in the competitive market landscape. Ready to reach new heights? Visit our Nucida Group homepage nucida.com to learn more about our cutting-edge consulting services.